arrange it properly. Now, do you remember our classroom rules? Please read.
Classroom rules. Present the teacher. Raise your hand if you want to speak or answer. Respect your classmates. Participate in the class.
Okay, do you understand our classroom rules?
Yes.
Okay. Now, for your attendance, I have here a card na nandito yung mga names nyo na ilan to part nyo ng mga products. Now, ang gagawin nyo ay kukunin nyo yung isa-isa at ilalagay yan dito sa table. May mga names yan.
Yes. Pwede na po.
Wala ko ba sabi alin yun? Wala pa.
Oh, I didn't know for this.
Wala na.
Pakilagay na dito sa ating basket. Okay, since everyone is na-check out tayo mga ganito part ninyo, so ibig sabihin ko lang absent for today. Now, we have an assignment. So, Maria, can you please give your answers on your assignment?
Number 1, letter C. Number 2, letter B. Number 3, letter A. Number 4, letter C. And number 5, letter B.
Okay, very good. Lahat ng sagot niya ay tama. So, sino yung may same answer sa kanya? Okay, very good. Ikaw,
Yes po.
ilan yung sagot mo? Ilan yung correct answer mo?
5 po.
Okay, very good. Now, do you remember our last topic?
Yes.
Okay, Maria, what are the last topic that we discussed?
The last topic that we discussed is all about the creative dances.
Yes, Miguel.
About consumer po.
Okay, you got the point. But our topic for today is what? Can you just read?
Consumer health.
Okay. When you hear or when you encounter the word consumer, ano sabihin nyo? Pupasok sa isipan. Okay, Mia.
When I hear the word consumer, the first thing that comes into my mind is it refers to those person who buy goods and services from, of course, the seller.
Okay. So, tama yung sagot ni Mia. Consumer ay ito yung mga tao na nagko-consume ng mga products. So, before we proceed, this is our objectives for today. Can you please read?
Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to define consumer health and its components, show interest in learning about health products and services by actively listening and joining the activities, and express consumer health practices through a culture and social field.
Okay, this is our learning objectives na kailangan natin throughout our discussion. So, do you understand our objectives?
Yes!
Okay, let's proceed. Can you please read and give your insight, Melvin?
Consumer health pertains to the aspect of what is obtained of health products and services in order to obtain the ultimate satisfaction and wellness of the body. Consumer health is about making decisions and having clear and deeper understanding to make wise choices. So sa consumer health is parang pag-ibig masuri natin sa mga bagay or sa mga pagkain or sa mga kinagamit natin sa katawan para kung ano yung pinaka-the best na suitable product para sa atin.
Okay, very good. Let's give Melody a Spider-Man clap. Do you know what okay, ganito lang yun. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, stand up. Kaya, 1, 2, 3, go. Now, when we say consumer health, ito yung tumutulong sa mga tao na nag-purchase ng mga health products. And then also the making decision and having clear and deeper understanding to make a wise choice. Do you understand what is consumer health?
Yes!
Next is this is the components of the health consumer. First is health information. Can you please read, Elizabeth? And give your reason.
Health information. Health information is any concept, step, or advice that various sources give to aid the health status of an individual. So, ang health information po ay yung mga step, yung mga advice na service na na-encounter madalas natin na papakinggan ng kita, especially sa mga products na ating pinili.
Okay, very good. Health information, ito yung mga advices ng pwede sa mga doktor, yan, sa mga community na patungkol din sa mga health products para meron tayong kaalaman para pagdating sa health status ng bawat isa. Next is health products. Ito ay madali lamang. Health products are the foods, drugs, cosmetics, devices, biological, medicine, in biotechnology, needles, and you please read and give your insight? Jenny Joyce.
Health services. Health services refers to pharmacy, medicine, medical or surgical treatment, nursing, hospital service, dental service, optometric service, and complementary health service. Ang health service po ay yung mga kinakailangan ng mga tao. For example, ay like medicine or yung mga treatment na kailangan ng mga tao and the dental service.
Okay. Very good. Let's give Jenny Joy 1,000 clap. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3.
500, 500, 1,000!
Yung sinabi natin health services, ito yung mga services na tumutulong sa na kapaganda pa yung mga medicines or yung sa medical or surgical treatments. Pagka sa nursing, hospital services, and dental services. Ito yung mga services na tumutulong sa atin para maging healthy ang bawat tao. Next ay, papakapiyawan lang natin, or babasa lang natin, ang importance ng consumer health. So, is consumer health important?
Yes, of course.
Okay, Maria, is it important?
Yes po. Why? Because consumers always na dapat din una. Hindi yung dapat din una yung mga kailangan ng katawan ng tao.
Okay, very good. You got the point. Next is, let's read the importance of consumer health. Can you please read, guys? Class.
Importance of consumer